So it is now middle of March 2021, and I actually did this project probably August or September of 2020. So this bedroom up here, I had fixed this bedroom up and just painted it with whatever colors I had available so I could hurry up and get it done, because I had to rent it out to a friend, somebody my cousin knew that needed a room, so I rented it out. And now I'm painting a color I actually like, and this is going to be my office, and I'm going to do my videos up here and all kinds of stuff. So first we got to move these dressers so we don't get paint on them. Good thing I put felt on the bottom of those. That was a booger carrying up the stairs.
I'm glad I wasn't involved in that.
My office is an absolute mess right now because I've got a couple projects going on, and I'm trying to take everything apart in my office so that I can take it upstairs and make upstairs my office. I better safely turn my computer off before I get too carried away, so it's probably not good if I just unplug it. And now I have absolutely no idea where I'm going to put this. Let me figure that out and get it set up. I have made a lot of progress, but I got to stop for a while and have something to eat. Can't beat peanut butter and jelly. I'm really tired and I don't know why I haven't done a darn thing today. Howdy. I decided that I would just be lazy and drink beer and play video games all day.
Okay. Your definition of lazy is a little different than mine.
Yeah? Look at me, look at the laziness I did upstairs. Love the rich.
Yeah, you were definitely lazy today, weren't you?
And you like the finishing touch there?
I do. I do.
Yeah, so that half of the office of this room is my office, and this half is going to be yarn storage. We just used it as a storage for a while, and slept in the other bedroom across the hall. And then we decided that we're too old to be going up and down the stairs in the middle of the night since there's not a bathroom on this level. So, decided to make the office that was downstairs the master bedroom, and decided to move the office up here and make this the office and YouTube studio. Back here is where my wife keeps her yarn, and I have this bar across the ceiling so I can name my green screen or whatever background. And then keep camera stuff over there, my desk. That's usually the angle I record. And then, it's hard to see, but in the closet, I keep extra stuff in there. And I'm planning on putting more shelves. Over here is a poster I have of the Firefly movie signed by Summer Glau. It's not quite exactly finished. It's not quite where I want it to be. This wall behind me, I'm actually thinking of redoing that or putting some wood grain or something on that. But I haven't decided for sure yet. And this color is kind of hard to make it look right in the videos too. So, say I haven't decided for sure what I'm going to do once this is probably not going to be the permanent color for this room, but it's good for now. But I am definitely going to put some more shelves in the closet and stuff like that. But I like it that I can just keep stuff set up here and I don't have to keep moving it around. There's more room down in the dining room, but for obvious reasons, I can't keep everything set up in the dining room all the time and use that as my YouTube studio. Besides that, the cats and the dogs will interrupt. So if you have any questions about my setup or how I set things up or what my plans are, comment down below and I'll answer your questions as soon as I can. I usually answer questions the day I get them or the very next day. So I always appreciate comments. And thanks to you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Go out there, shoot, edit, and repeat.